Morning is like a fresh start. A start that is full of hope. A start to find a new way. When we start a day with grateful heart, light illuminates within us. So very good and warm morning to Honorable MD sir. On the behalf of class 7G, I Kapil Mehta extend a very sincere welcome to all of you present here. Today, we the students of class 7G have got a golden opportunity to present our views on the state of Bihar. It is our duty to remember the God's Almighty. So let us begin this function seeking the blessings of the God by Hindi prayer. Now I would like to invite our school choir to lead the prayer, and let us all join our hands and close our eyes for the prayer.
In the morning works like fuel which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So, I would like to invite Janvi Sharma for today's thought.
Thought of the day. The fragrance of the flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions.
Now some students of our class are going to present a role play.
The historical period of Bihar is considered to be the post-Vedic period from 1000 BC to 600 BC. Our recurrence started during this period in Bihar. The first mention of Magad means Bihar is found in the Atharva Veda. Many dynasties played an important role in the rise of the Magad Empire. Haryank dynasty. The Bidhat dynasty was the oldest dynasty of Magad. Thereafter, Bimbisara founded the Haryank dynasty in 544 BCE. The Bimbisara is known as the refounder of the Magad Empire. Bimbisara ruled Magad from 544 BC to 492 BC. His son Ajatashatru imprisoned him and put him in the prison where Bimbisara died in 492 BC.
I am Bimbisara, the founder of the Magad Empire and a friend and patron of Mahatma Buddha. In Indian history, I kept a standing army for the first time.
After Bimbisara, Ajatashatru became the ruler of Magad in 492 BC to 460 BC. After that, Udyan became the ruler and settled in Patliputra and established Patliputra and made his new capital Rajgir.
Shishunag dynasty. After the Haryanka dynasty, Shishunag dynasty was established before 412 AD. Shishunag also made Vaishali Nagar his capital. He died in 394 BC after Shishunag. His son Kalashoka ruled for 28 years. Maurya dynasty in 322 BCE. Chandragupta Maurya, with the help of his guru Chanakya, laid the foundation of the Maurya dynasty by killing Dhananand.
I am Chandragupta Maurya. I had captured the entire Sindh and Punjab territories by 317 BCE. I established a vast Indian empire by defeating a Greek ruler, Seleucus Nicator.
Chandragupta Maurya died in 298 BC. Then his son and successor Bindusara ruled Magadha from 298 BC to 236 BC. Bindusara ruled for 25 years, ended in 273 BCE. Bindusara's son Ashoka ruled Magadha from 273 BC to 236 BC. Ashoka was very ambitious and greedy of empire. Ashoka attacked Kalinga in 261 BCE. Millions of people were killed in this war and thousands of people were taken prisoner. This massacre caused a great change in Ashoka's heart.
I am Bindusara's son, Emperor Ashoka. The outcome of the war at Kalinga changed my heart, and I gave up war and converted to Buddhism. I dedicated my life to the service of humanity.
According to the Puranas, 9 to 10 rulers ruled Magadha after Ashoka. After the death of the Emperor Ashoka, the mighty Maurya Empire disintegrated.
Shunga dynasty. The Shunga Empire was an ancient Indian dynasty. It's founded by Pushyamitra about 185 BCE, which replaced the Maurya dynasty.
I am Pushyamitra. I was the first ruler of Shunga dynasty. I ruled for 36 years.
After Pushyamitra Shunga, there were 9 rulers. Devbhudi was the last Shunga emperor who ruled 83 BCE to 73 BCE.
Kanauj dynasty. The Kanauj dynasty overthrew the Shunga dynasty in parts of eastern and central India and ruled from 75 BCE to 30 BCE. Kanauj dynasty was established by Vasudeva Kanva.
The Gupta Empire was an ancient Indian empire which existed from the early 4th century to the late 6th century. This period was considered as the golden age of Indians by historians. The ruling dynasty of the empire was founded by Shrigupta. After the rule of Shrigupta, his son Ghatotkacha ruled. He was the father of first dynasty, Chandragupta I.
He was the first emperor to unify most of India under one administration. I got the title Maharaja Dhiraj, which means Great King of Kings. Go.
Chandragupta's son Samudragupta further expanded the Gupta Empire. Then historian A.V. Smith called him Napoleon of India because of his great military conquest. Samudragupta died in 380 CE. After the rule of Samudragupta, his son Ramagupta ruled the empire. Then Vikramaditya, who was one of the most powerful emperors of Gupta Empire in northern India, ruled the empire.
I am Vikramaditya. In my region, art, agriculture and sculpture flourished. Cultural development of ancient India reached its climax, established silver coin. After the death of Kumar Gupta in 455 CE, his son Skandagupta became emperor. He was the last powerful emperor of Gupta dynasty. Vishnugupta ruled Magad from 467 to 550 CE. Vishnugupta was the last emperor of Gupta dynasty.
The Pala dynasty was an imperial period of classical ruled from 8th to 12th century in Bihar and Bengal. The Govind Pala was last ruler of Pala dynasty.
I am Gopala. I am the first ruler of Pala dynasty. For the first time, voting by the people made me king.
After Gopala, many emperors ruled from 770 to 1159 AD.
The medieval era of Bihar can be considered to start from the 12th century. In medieval time, Bihar lost its prestige as the political and the cultural center of India. Before the Muslim invasion, Bihar was divided into South Bihar and North Bihar. After 1197-98 AD, Bhaktiyar Khilji made the first invasion in Magda region. He burned down the Nalanda University.
After the death of Bhaktiyar Khilji in 1206 AD, Ali Mardan became the rulers of Bihar. Ghiyasuddin ruled from 1207 AD to 1245 AD, and 1285 AD Iltutmish invaded and captured Bihar. Hatim Khan was the governor of Bihar till 1305 AD to 3015 AD.
Tughlaq dynasty ruled Delhi from 1320 till 1414 AD.
Sher Shah Suri was the founder of Sood dynasty. He ruled in northern India till 1540 to 1545. Even after the fall of Sood dynasty, the Afghan rulers ruled India till 1572. The Mughal ruler Akbar captured Patna in 1574 AD. By 1580, Bihar was completely under Mughal.
On June 5, 1969, Aurangzeb became the emperor of Delhi. Then his Subedars took over the Subedari of Bihar.
The modern history of Bihar. In the modern Bihar, Sikhism and Islam were spread by their religious leaders and saints. Guru Gobind Singh was born on 22nd December 1666 in Patna, and Guru Gobind Singh established Khalsa Panth. As a result of the fall of the Mughal Empire spread in the northern India. On 10th April 1756, Siraj-ud-Dowla became the Nawab of Bengal.
Go.
After the Battle of Plassey on 23rd June 1757, the real power of Bihar was in the hands of Raja Namarayan, the Nayab of Bihar. In 1765, the dual government system was implemented in Bengal and Bihar. This dual rule lasted till 1765 to 1772.
I am Lord Clive. I am going to implement the dual system in Bihar so that the administrative system strength of the Bihar.
The rebellion against British of Bihar continued from 1757 AD to 1857 AD. During this, many rebellions took place against the British. The rebellion of 1857 was the first powerful rebellion of the people of India against the British. In 1857, a fierce battle between Veer Kunwar Singh and British Army and defeated the English Army.
Friends, in the cattle fair of Sonpur, we plan to carry forward this freedom struggle.
Yes, Kunwar Singh ji, we are always with you.
This meeting will play an important role in ensuring our victory.
Yes, we will definitely win.
On 30 July 1857, the British government imposed military rule in Saran, Patna and Champaran. In 1905, the Bengal Bhang movement was launched in Bihar. On 30th April 1960, Khudiram Bose heard a bomb on vehicle of a leading lawyer. For this reason, he was arrested and
2nd March 1912, the regions of Bihar and Orissa were separated from Bengal and organized into a new province. In 1917, Gandhiji started Champaran Satyagraha movement.
on May 16, 1919, the British government passed the Resolution of Non-Cooperation. Salt Satyagraha was started in Champaran and Saran.
The British government has established a monopoly on even a simple commodity like salt. We Indians will manufacture the salt ourselves.
Yes, of course. We will manufacture salt ourselves.
If we will make salt ourselves, we will not have to pay much money for salt coming from England. We Indians will fight for our rights.
Yes, we will fight.
In this way, after enduring many difficulties and as a result of the sacrifice of many people, India became independent on 15th August 1947. This is the ancient, medieval and the modern history of our famous Indian state of Bihar. The history has given glory to Bihar, which has made India proud with its art, education and culture. Thank you.
Now it's time for the group discussion.
The history of Bihar is one of the most varied in India. Bihar consists of 3 distinct regions. Each has its own history and culture. They are Magadh, Mithila and Bhojpur. Chirand on the northern bank of the Ganga river in Saran district has an archaeological record from the Neolithic age.
Bihar is a state in the East India, divided by the river Ganga, which floods its fertile plains. Important Buddhist pilgrimage sites include the Bodhi tree in the Bodh Gaya Mahabodhi temple, under which the Buddha meditated. In the state capital Patna, Mahavir Mandir temple is revered by Hindus, while Sikhs worship at domed riverside Gurdwara of Takht Sri Harmandir Sahib Ji.
The word Bihar has originated from the Viharas, which means resting house of Buddhist monk. But it was the Muslim ruler of 12th century who started calling the state as Bihar. Aryans started moving towards eastern India in the later Vedic period, 1000 to 600 BC. According to the time period, history of Bihar divided in 2 parts, 1000 to 600 BC, historical period. This period is considered to be the later Vedic period. Aryanization in Bihar started from this period. The earliest description of Bihar is found in Atharva Veda and Panchvish Brahman. In these texts, the word Bharatiya for Bihar is mentioned. It's estimated that the Aryans entered the region of Bihar at the time of the composition of Atharva Veda. Bihar is called Kikat in Big Veda.
Magadha. Bihar was known as Magadha in ancient times. It was a center of power, learning and culture. The Maurya Empire, as well as one of the world's greatest religions, Buddhism, arose from Magadha. Bihari empires like the Maurya and the Gupta unified a large part of South Asia under a central rule.
On 22nd March 1912, through the Bengal, Bihar, Orissa and Assam's Laws Act 1912, Bihar was carved out as a separate province in British Indian Empire. Bihar celebrates its birthday on 22nd March as Bihar Divas. After the Bengal presidency was partitioned, Patna was made the capital of new province.
Birthplace of two religions, Bihar is the origin of the two biggest religions in the world, namely Jainism and Buddhism. The non-violence originated from Bihar around 2600 years ago. The great Lord Buddha and Lord Mahavir were presidents of this enchanting thought.
The world-famous Nalanda University is located in the capital city of Patna. It is one of the oldest universities in the world, and it was known as the source of knowledge in the ancient days. It attracts students from different parts of the world, including Iran, Japan, Greece, China, and Korea. There were 10,000 students and 2,000 teachers for teaching the students. It was said that the Nalanda library was set on fire by the army of Bukhtiyar Khilji, which was believed to hold over 9 million manuscripts, which took it 3 full months to burn down into ashes.
Bihar's Vaishali district is considered as the first republic in the world. It became a republic by 6th century BC. Vaishali is also the birthplace of Lord Mahavira. Mundeshwari temple in Bihar is known as the oldest Hindu temple in India. It is dedicated to both Lord Shiva and his wife Shakti.
Sri Krishna Sinha, known as the Sri Babu, was the first Chief Minister of Bihar, a state of India.
Chhath Puja is the famous and main festival of Bihar. Bihar is an ancient land having deep roots in religion. Folks in Bihar, being spiritually inclined, celebrate many festivals to worship God. Chhath Puja is the only Vedic festival that is dedicated to the sun god. Sama Chakeva and Nag Panchami are also the famous festivals of Bihar.
The birthplace of Guru Gobind Singh Ji is situated in Patna, Bihar. He was born on 22 December 1666. He was the 10th Sikh Guru of the
Hindi is the official language of the Bihar. Urdu is the second official language in 15 districts of the state. Maithili, Bhojpuri, Angika and Magahi are also widely spoken.
Bihar population in 2021 is estimated to be 127 million by mid of year 2020. The projected population is 12 crore 47 lakh 99,926. Aadhaar updated 31st May 2020. It has the area of 94,163 square kilometers.
Bihar is a state in the eastern India. It is the third largest state by population and 12th largest state by territory with an area of 94,163 square kilometers. Bihar borders Uttar Pradesh to its west, Nepal to the north, the northern part of the West Bengal to the east, and with Jharkhand to the south. Bihar is also the world's fourth most popular sub-national talent.
According to the Köppen climate classification, Bihar climate mainly fall under subtropical monsoon, mild and dry winter, hot summer, except for southeastern part of the state, such as Jamui, Banka, Munger, Begusarai, Lakhisarai, some parts of Bhagalpur, Khagaria and Sarsa.
Leti chokha, Navedyam, Chandrakala, Chana Gujri, Khaja, Matar Kebab, Kesar Peda, Long Latika are famous Bihar cuisine.
All these state symbols of Bihar. God is state animal of Bihar and house sparrow is state bird. State flower is Kachnar and state tree is people and mango is state fruit of Bihar.
Principal food crops are paddy, wheat, maize and pulses. Main cash crops are sugarcane, potato, tobacco, oil seeds, onion, chiller and jute. Silk is produced through the cultivation of silkworms in the parts of Bihar and Assam. Bihar has notified forest area of 6,764.4 square kilometer, which is 7.1% of its geographical area.
Bihar has a total literacy area of 69.83%. Bihar has been a major center of learning and home to ancient universities, Nalanda, Udantapur and Vikramshila universities. Bihar is home of 7 institutes of national importance, which includes IIT Patna, IIM Bodh Gaya, AIIMS Patna, NIT Patna, IIT Bhagalpur and IPR Hazipur.
Economy of Bihar is largely agriculture based, but it also has a significant service orientation. The present GDP of Bihar is 11%, 33rd rank of Bihar according to GDP per capita rank.
Bihar is one of the state in 28 states of India, situated on the starting point of northeast part of India. Latitude longitude of Bihar is 25.37 degree north, 85.13 degree east.
Capital of Bihar is Patna. Bihar having 38 districts and only 14 major cities. Patna is the largest city of Bihar. At present, the Governor of Bihar is Phagu Chauhan and Chief Minister of Bihar is Nitish Kumar. High Court of Bihar is situated in Patna.
Bihar is once a state whose history occupies an important place in the background of India. Bihar is a special state of India in terms of education, agriculture, food and living. Bihar is strength of India and Bihar is power of India. Thank you.
Now it's time for the Hindi song. I would like to invite some of my classmates for Hindi song.
Now it's time for a beautiful classical dance performance.
प्राप्त हुआ जिस पर बुद्ध को ज्ञान, जन्मे थे जहाँ पर दिनकर महान, जिस मिट्टी से बनी कुंवर सिंह जैसी संतान, वही है हमारा बिहार महान, वही है हमारा बिहार महान। जहाँ पर कर्म ने दिए समानता के नारे, जहाँ के जय प्रकाश बने देश के सहारे, जिस आर्य बट के आगे हर गणितज्ञ हारा, वह अद्वितीय राज्य बिहार है हमारा, वह अद्वितीय राज्य बिहार है हमारा। जहाँ से गुजरती है गंगा की पवित्र धारा, जहाँ से फूटी लोकतंत्र की धारा, वह अद्वितीय राज्य बिहार है हमारा, वह अद्वितीय राज्य बिहार है हमारा। धन्यवाद।
I was listening to the ocean. I saw face in the sun. But when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands. Down. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw piece of heaven waiting patient for me. Down. And if I was running far away, would I run all the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive, I can't complain. But don't take me home when I belong. I can't take it anymore.
Now it's time for instrumental performance.
Bihar is my birthplace, filled with different cultural language and faiths. No Bihari wants to lose. Everyone wants to win the race.
We have got a competitive personality. Bihar is the best choice for educational facility. People are daring, they do not fear in facing the reality.
Lord Buddha is a great part of our state. When it comes to opportunities, we Biharis don't wait. They don't need a date. They do it today.
They do not like things to be done in speed. No hurry, no late. Biharis always encourage love and discourage hate. Hope you like my Bihar. We Biharis are waiting for you. Better don't be late. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here is my first question. Which day is celebrated as Bihar Divas? The correct answer is 22nd March.
Here is my second question. What is the state bird of Bihar? The correct answer is sparrow.
Here is my third question. Who is the first Chief Minister of Bihar? The correct answer is Shri Krishna Sena.
Here is my fourth question. What is the state flower of Bihar? Yes, the correct answer is Kachnar.
Where did India first air taxi service has been launched? The correct answer is Chandigarh.
Watch
है चित्रकला हुए परशुराम से युद्ध यहाँ अज गए बीनाथ सखाम यहाँ बम 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 बोले कांवरिया है सर्व धर्म संपन्न यहाँ ये अपना बिहार है ये अपना बिहार है हम सबका बिहार है।
आप सब दोस्त सबके बजा लिया, आप दरभंगा में रहते झिझिया।
के झियों ने